Hey, what's up, everybody? The different tones of silver. We're going to listen to this. We're going to let the silver do the talking. That's right. We're going to let the silver do the talking. Right here, we have different purities, different thicknesses, different sizes of silver. Even, get ready for this. A lot of people, you may be unsubscribing just for the fact that I am going to abuse that little birdie right there, that kookaburra. We are going to make that kookaburra sing. Have you ever heard a kookaburra sing? Well, you're going to hear it in this video. But what do the different tones and pitches of this silver sound like? We're going to listen to it. We're going to start out with a 90% 64 Kennedy, then a 90% Franklin, then a 90% Walker. Then we're going to go to a 90% quarter, a 90% dime. We're going to see what a 35%, this is a 35% silver war nickel. We're going to also, yes indeed, let's take a look at that mint mark. Let's focus in on that mint mark. There you go. The mint mark is above the Monticello. That is how you know that is a 35% silver war nickel. Then we're also going to listen to some copper, see what the copper sounds like compared to the silver, like this American Silver Eagle. Then we have a 40% Kennedy half dollar and a piece of poured silver and that 4/9 fine silver kookaburra. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's listen. Now what we're going to do is, this is a basic ping test. This is a okay way to test your silver to make sure it's actual silver, to make sure it's legitimate, to make sure it's not counterfeit. But this is not the only test. This is not a guaranteed way to verify that everything is legit and not counterfeit. But this is one test that you can do. So here we have a 90% Kennedy half dollar. Let's listen to Kennedy speak to us. Listen to that ping. Okay, and then that's the problem with doing the ping test on your fingertip, is that it's very easy to knock it off. The bigger the coin, the easier it is to balance on your fingertip. And you really need to use for this, you really need to use the fingertip, because if you have it flat on your finger, then it's really not going to work right. You just got to be balancing right there on the fingertip. Okay, let's listen to Franklin. Beautiful ring. Okay, let's go with a Walker. Now, these are all 90% half dollar, so they're all going to pretty much sound similar. Some a little bit more wear, like this Walking Liberty half dollar has a little bit, it's an older coin, more wear. Okay, beautiful. And now we have a 90% Washington quarter. Smaller coin, lesser of a ring, and also a lot harder to balance once you get to the smaller coins. But you can tell it's a milder of a pitch. Okay, so then we can go to a dime, and when we're talking about a smaller coin, we are talking about a lot harder to balance on your fingertip. Let's focus in on that. See, it's much more of a subtle ring when you talk about a dime. And also you have to factor in hitting it a lot more gentle, because you don't want it to keep falling off of your finger. Okay, so we're going to move on. Now, a 35% war nickel, dirty old war nickel. And now we'll move on to, let's try a piece of poured silver. See, the poured silver really, poured silver really doesn't, at least this piece of poured silver doesn't really sing, doesn't really have, doesn't sound like anything. You can't really, at least not doing it this way, you can't really make that sound like anything, really. All right, so now let's move on to an American Silver Eagle. 1999 American Silver Eagle. Listen to this one. All right, that was awesome. I was having fun with that one. That was a cool one. How about a 40% Kennedy half dollar? Let's compare the 90% to the 40%. So here's the 90%. And the 40%. %, again. And the 40%. You hear that difference in tone? Okay, now we're gonna try this copper first. Let's try to see what this copper round sounds like. So it's got a little subtle of a ping. It's not as beautiful of a ping as the silver, but it does have a slight ping to it. Next, the final one that we're going to do, this is going to be the Kookaburra. Let's listen to the birdie sing. How about on the Queen's head? All right, guys, let me know what you think. I think the American Silver Eagle, to be honest, sounded the best. I don't know. Is it just me, or do I just enjoy beating this silver too much? I think the American Silver Eagle is the winner as far as making the best tone, the best pitch. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thanks everybody for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Let me know your thoughts and your opinions down below. What do you think sounded the best? I appreciate everybody for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to everybody on my next video. Thanks a lot, everyone.